Hello everyone. Today we'll be starting with the next chapter, practical geometry. In this we are going to construct some angles or some line segments with the help of the compass and scale. Right? Now this is the revision exercise in which questions are there. Let us start framing the questions. The first question is, construct any three line segments and also construct the copy of that line segment. Now they have said that you have to draw any three line segments. You can take any three line segments by yourself. For example, I am taking one. In this I am taking first line segment AB. AB I am taking one line segment of 4 centimeters. This is my choice. I am taking by my choice because they have not given us of which measurement we have to take. So first of all, I am going to draw this AB line segment of 4 centimeters. So for drawing this, what you are going to do is, you are going to start from this point of the scale, this point till 4. Till 4. Starting from this 0 to 4 of your scale. This is your AB line, AB, and this is going to be of 4 centimeters. Now, this is the line segment. Now you have to draw the copy of this line segment. So how you will draw the copy of this line segment? To draw the copy, just make sure one thing. Make a line which is bigger than this line. Okay? Just make a line which is bigger than this line and name that line L. I have drawn one line which has to be greater than this line. Now, place any point C here, any point on this line. After this, with the help of compass, open your compass so that needle of the compass is at A and the other one is at B. The pencil has to be on B. Like this you have to open it. Needle of the compass at the first point and the pencil should be on the second one. So now you have opened the compass of this measurement. This measurement is of 4 centimeters. Now the same compass of which you have opened up of 4 centimeters, take the compass, place it on the point C which you have marked on this line L and mark an arc like this. Just mark an arc like this. This point, name it as D. Now this CD is the copy of AB. Now this CD is, if you are going to measure it, the CD is going to be of 4 centimeters. From here to here, this is 4 centimeters. So to draw the copy, this is CD is again 4 centimeters. This much is the 4 centimeters. Okay. Now they have said you have to construct 3 line segments. I have done of 4. Let us do the next one of 5 centimeters. So again for 5 centimeters, what you are going to do is, again with the help of the scale, draw a line segment of 5 centimeters. So for this, start from here 0 and then 5 centimeters till here. Okay, so this is going to be A and this is going to be B and this is 5 centimeters. Now you have to draw the copy of this AB. To draw the copy, take a line segment which has to be greater than this 5 centimeters. So draw a line which is greater than this L. Drawn. Again take any point C on it. Taken. Now open up the compass so that the first point, at the first point I am placing the needle and the pencil is on the second point. In such a way I am going to open it. Now this is the measurement of 5 centimeters which I have opened. Place the needle on C and mark an arc. This intersection point is D and this CD is 5 centimeters. So I am going to write here CD is the copy of AB equals to 5 centimeters and here AB was 4 centimeters. Similarly, third one, you can take any, you can take 8, you can take 5, you can take 6, 7, any you can take. I am taking 7 centimeters. Now for this, again draw a line segment of 7 centimeters. Name it AB. From here start till here 7. So this is A and this is B. So this is 7 centimeters. Now to draw the copy, again open it. Make a line segment which has to be greater than this above line which you have just drawn. Okay, this line is L. Mark a point C. You can name any point. Now open the compass of AB like this. Place it like this. Placed. Now with the same, place the needle on C and mark an arc. This intersection point is D, which is of 7 centimeters. So you can say CD is the copy of AB, which is 7 centimeters. And this is your question number 1. This complete is your question number 1. Okay. Now let's move to question number 2. Construct a line segment. Question 2 is construct a line segment with the length equal to that of the line XY shown here. Now this is a line XY which is shown to you in the book. You have to draw the copy of this line. So how you are going to draw? First of all, you are going to measure of how much meters it is going to be. This line is of 2.7. This line is of 2.7 centimeters. Okay. So firstly, I am going to draw here the line segment 2.7 like this, same here. Let us draw 2.7. This is 2.7. Okay. This is X and this is Y. Now to draw the line segment or to draw the copy of this line segment, I am going to draw a line which has to be greater than this line. Again the same thing. Take point C. Now open it up like this. Opened 2.7 and now place it on C and then mark an arc. So this is going to be D. So this is going to be 2.7 centimeters. And then CD is the copy of the line segment XY. So you will write CD is the copy of line segment XY equals to 2.7 centimeters. Right? So this is your question number 2. Now in question number 3, they are saying a circle is given without marking its center. How will you find its center? In this question, you have to draw a circle without compass and you have to mark the center of this circle. How you are going to do it is, firstly, fold it half vertically like this. This is the vertical. So I have folded it like this. And then make a crease. Crease means this line. This is the line which is coming. This is called as the crease. And I am just doing it bold for you with the help of the pencil. Okay, I have one time did like this. I have folded it one time half vertically and this crease came. Next, the same way I am going to do it like this horizontally. And half circle I have folded but in a horizontal way. Like this I have folded it. Okay. Now when you see this, again one more horizontal line is there. So I am going to mark it again like this. Okay. Now this intersection point of these creases, vertical crease and horizontal crease, where these both are meeting is the center of the circle. So that's how you are going to make the center of the circle with the help of compass. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Firstly, horizontally fold it half and then secondly, horizontally fold it vertically and then crease it. Now the same we have to write in the notebook. How you are going to write this in the notebook? Take the circle on the petty paper the way I have taken it. Fold the circle into half horizontally and crease it. Okay, so what we did? We took the circle, we have folded it half, fold the circle into half horizontally, I have folded it and crease it. That means make a line like this. Next, and then open the circle. Now again fold the circle vertically. Now you are going to fold the circle like this vertically and again crease it and then open it. Now the point at which the intersection point of both the creases gives the center of the circle. Now where these points are meeting, that is the intersection point and this is the center of the circle. So this is your question number 3. I hope you have understood this. Now let's move to question number 4. Question number 4 is important. In question 4, construct a perpendicular line to the line segment AB of length 13 centimeters. Now the meaning of this perpendicular is 90 degree. Perpendicular means you have to draw an angle of 90 degree on a AB line segment which is of length 13 centimeters. So let us draw firstly this one. Firstly, let us draw the line AB which is 13 centimeters. Starting from this and then till 13. Till here. A and B. This complete is 13 centimeters. Question is, you have to draw the perpendicular line to the line segment AB at a point on which is 5 centimeters from A. Now from A, you have to take a point which is 5 centimeters away from A. So I am going to use the compass and this is 5 centimeters. I have measured it. Now from point A, just put a small arc here so that this point is 5 centimeters away from A. This is 5 centimeters away from A. Now here I am going to show you how you are going to draw the perpendicular. That means perpendicular means I am going to draw here 90 degree angle. So now let us see how you will draw it. Now open up the compass of any measurement. I have opened it this much. Place the needle at this point which is 5 centimeters away from A. From this line, draw an arc like this. A semicircle, make it in such a way that the starting point is here and the ending is on the other side of the line. Okay. The next step is, with the same measurement of the compass, you don't have to change the measurement of the compass, it has to be same. From this point, the starting point of this semicircle, make an arc like this here. From this arc, where this semicircle and this arc is meeting, from this point, make one more arc. Now from these two arcs, you are getting 2 points. This is one, this is second point. Now from these 2 points, you are going to draw an arc like this. From this point, an arc is drawn here, and from this point, an arc is drawn here. Now what you will do, you are going to join this point with this intersection point. Now this is the intersection point, join it. We have joined it and now this has become 90 degree angle. Okay, so this is the perpendicular and this is your question number 4. That's how you are going to do question number 4. Question number 4 is AB line segment you have to draw which is of 13 centimeters. Now you have to take a point which is 5 centimeters away from A. So just take a point. You don't want to take the measurement from the compass, that's okay. Just do one thing. From A, from point A, take a point 5 centimeters. Now this is 5 centimeters. Just point at A. This is point C. Let it be C. Now at this C, open up the compass of any measurement. Draw a semicircle like this. With this same measurement, draw an arc from the starting of this semicircle like this. From this point, draw an arc, and then from these two again make arc and then join it. So this is your line segment and this is your construction of question number 4. And the next question number 5 is, if PQ is the perpendicular bisector of LM, then is LM is the perpendicular bisector of PQ? Justify your answer. Now what is the meaning of this? They are saying there is one line PQ. This is a line PQ which is perpendicular to LM. Perpendicular means that PQ is making an angle of 90 degree with this line LM. Now if this line is making a perpendicular with LM, PQ is there and this Q point is dividing LM, or it is bisecting it. Bisecting means it is dividing it into two equal parts such that LQ is equals to QM. But is it possible that LM is perpendicular to LQ but LM is bisecting PQ? We can say that yes, LM is perpendicular to PQ because LM is also making an angle of 90 degree with PQ, but LM is down and it is not dividing PQ into two parts because LM is here. So the opposite is not correct. So the answer is no. If PQ is the perpendicular bisector of LM, PQ is the perpendicular bisector of LM. LM is perpendicular to PQ. LM is perpendicular to PQ, but it is not bisecting this line. It is not dividing this line into two equal parts. Okay, so this is your question number 5. You have to write question number 3 and 5 also in the notebook. And constructions you all have to do in the notebooks. Next, question number 6. Now you have to use the protector and then you have to construct this. Using the protector, construct angles of measure 35, 77, 125, 167. Now out of these 4 parts, I will be doing 2 parts for you. The rest you will be doing by yourselves. Question number 6. Now you have to use the protector. You have to use the protector. For this, you are going to construct firstly 35. So what you are going to do, firstly make an arc like this. Make a line segment of any measurement you can take. 4, 5, any measurement. A and B, I have drawn a line segment. I have to draw an angle of 35. What I am going to do, at this point A, you can see this vertical line of this D. This is the point. Place this point on the point A. And this line should be on the line AB. Now you have to draw 35. When you have to go, you have kept your protector here. You have to see 35. 35 is between 30 and 40. So this will be here. 35. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. This is 35. Now join it from point A. And this is your 35 degree. Okay. With the help of protector, you have to draw it like this. Let us draw 77 you will do by yourself. Let us draw 125. Again for 125, draw a line segment of any measurement. I have named it as A and B. Now on the point A, when you have kept the protector on this point, you are going to see the downward measurement. You have to draw 125. Now when you are going to see the downward measurement 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 up to 120, then 125 is always between 120 and 130. So this is going to be here. Okay. And then let us join these points. If you are going to join it like this point is C and this angle is 125, right? Similarly 167. So how? Again construct a line segment of AB of any measurement A and B. Now we have to draw an angle of 167. 77 you will do by yourself. I am doing 167. Now for this you are going to place the protector on A. Again after keeping it here, I have to see the downward, and 167 is between 160 and 170. So this is going to come 165, 66 and this is 67. And then join it with A. I have joined it with A. So this is going to be 167 degrees. With the help of protector, I have drawn these. Okay. And this is your question number 6. Now let's move to question number 7. Question number 7 is you have to now draw these angles with the help of compass. With the help of compass, you have to draw all of these. Let us start making all of these. Firstly, you have to make an angle of 60 degree. See, all these measurements you are going to construct, you have already done this in question number 4 while making an angle of 90 degree. First part is 60 degree. How you're going to make? Take any length, any line segment. I have taken it here like this. This is A and this is B. Now open up the compass of any measurement. Place it here. Place the needle of the compass here on A, and then just a second. This is the semicircle I have drawn. That's how you're going to draw the semicircle. Now from this point, draw an arc like this. From this point I have drawn the arc like this, and now this is your 60 degree. Just join this intersection with A and draw the line. This is your 60 degree angle. That's it. Okay. Next is your 30 degree. Now when you have to do 30 degree, for 30 degree I know that 30 is the half of 60 degree. What I'm going to do is, I will again make an angle of 60 degree. How? Again the same concepts. AB, take a semicircle like this, and from this point draw an arc of 60 degree. This is 60 degree. I have drawn 60 degree. But now I have to draw the 30. 30 is half of 60 degree. 30 is the half, that means angle bisector. Angle bisector, how you are going to make is, take this point, make an arc. Take this point and make an arc. See, these 2 points I was having. Firstly this point and one is this point. From this point draw an arc, and from this point also then draw an arc, and after that join the points. That's how we have constructed angle bisector. Now this complete 60 degree is divided into 2 equal parts, 30 and 30. So this is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. Okay. Next is 120. Now again 120, what you will do, 120 is the double of 60. So firstly you are going to make an angle of 60 degree again. In every part you are going to draw an angle of 60 degree. And here also I am going to draw angle of 60 firstly. I have drawn here 60. Now since 120 is the double, keep the needle here on 60 and then one more arc on this. Now this is 120 and then join it. This complete is 120. This was 60 and this was 120. Okay. Now the next is 90 degree. Now 90 degree we have just done in question number 4. How? Let us see again. Take a line of any measurement, A and B. Now on A, draw like this, a semicircle. Okay. Now with this, what you are going to do is, firstly make 60 degree, then 120 degree, the 60, then 120, and with this what you are going to do is take an arc like this. Now from these 2 points I am going to mark an arc here up, and from here, from these 2 points I am going to mark a point like this. Now I am going to join this intersection point with A, and now a 90 degree is formed. This is 90 degree. Okay, 60, 120, and then in between. So this is your 90 degree. Next is 45. Now for 45, 45 is half of 90. So for this, that means you have to firstly draw 90 degree again. For 45, again you are going to draw 90 degree. Again see this, draw line segment, mark an arc, semicircle, an arc, 60, 120. From these 2 points mark like this, and this is going to be your 90 degree. join it. Now from this, I have received 2 points. To mark an angle bisector, I have received this much part, this and this. This part I have received. Now from these two endpoints, I am going to make 45-degree angle. Just cut it. Now I have received this point. So that means I'm going to join it from this. And this is your angle bisector, which is of 45. Okay. This is your question number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the parts I have done. Now let's do the last question, which is 8, and you have to draw the angle bisector of this angle XOY. You can take any measurement here, XOY. Just draw it XOY like this. Now you have to draw the angle bisector of this. So what you are going to do is just open up the compass. Make an angle like this between these two lines. With the same measurement of the compass, place the needle at one point, mark an arc. With the same measurement of the compass, again place it on the other side and mark an arc. The point at which these two arcs are intersecting, join that with O. Now this is the angle bisector, and this is question number 8. Okay. So now do this exercise in the notebook from question number 1 to question number 8. Thank you everyone.